today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively create and customize charts in Canva. Whether you're preparing a presentation for work or a school project, learning how to craft professional and eye-catching visuals is a valuable skill. So, let's dive in. First things first, head on over to Canva and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, signing up is easy and free. Once you're in, the next step is to create a new presentation canvas. You'll want to select a 16:9 ratio, with the dimensions set to 1920 by 1080 pixels. This size is perfect for most presentation formats and will give your graphics a professional look. Once you have your canvas set up, take a look at the left-hand side of your screen and find the Apps icon. Clicking here will open up a wide range of additional tools and features that Canva offers. Scroll down through these options until you come across Charts. This feature is incredibly handy for visually representing data, making it easier to communicate your points effectively. Browse through the various chart options available and click on the one that best fits the data you want to represent. You can find a range of different styles, from bar graphs to pie charts. Don't worry too much about getting it absolutely perfect right off the bat. You can customize these charts extensively to suit your needs. After selecting your chart, it's time to input your data. Canva makes it simple. Just type in your numbers and the visual representation will update automatically. If you have data saved in an Excel spreadsheet or Google Sheets, Canva allows you to import this directly into your chart. This feature can be a huge time saver and ensures accuracy in data presentation. The great thing about Canva is the level of personalization it offers. Once your data is entered, you can adjust the size and format of your chart to fit the design of your canvas. You can change colors, fonts, and even the chart style itself to match your overall theme. This customization is especially useful in making your presentation stand out. If at any point you decide that a different type of chart would better suit your needs, Canva allows you to switch between different types with ease. Remember, visual appeal is just as important as the data you're presenting, and experimenting with different formats can help you find the most compelling way to communicate your message. Finally, let's say you want to switch to a pie chart for your final presentation. Simply click on the pie chart option, and your data will be reformatted to fit this new style. Again, the customization tools are there for you to make any necessary adjustments, and there you have it. You have successfully created a chart in Canva. With these tips and steps, you're well on your way to designing stunning presentations that effectively communicate your data. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!